Today, I will be showing you how to contact a listing agent on Homes.com. Contacting an agent is helpful if you want more information about a property or if you're ready to move forward with a listing. First, go to the upper right corner of the page and click on Agents. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, click Find an Agent to continue. On this page, you'll see several options for finding an agent. If you already have a specific agent in mind, you can search for the agent directly using the search bar. If not, you can browse through a selection of agents that are suggested based on your recent activity on Homes.com. Once you find an agent you like, you can click on their profile to view their contact information and reach out to them directly. And that is how you contact a listing agent on Homes.com. Thank you for watching.